What if I call Charles Darwin a saint? You would find it crazy, but when you finish watching this, I am sure you will agree with me. Darwinism states that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. Now let's look at it from a spiritual point of view. There is a myth that science doesn't believe in rebirth. If they didn't believe it, why do they claim that man came from monkeys? Even now, many of us experience the animal instincts around us. It is an insatiable appetite. For example, the non-vegetarianism. Even though we have evolved into humans, there are certain traits of animals in us. It's called vasana in Sanskrit. Vasana is the result of our karmic cycle. Newton's third law of motion explains karma scientifically. The constant action and reaction constitutes karma. Karma too is evolving. The ones who switch over to vegetarianism is the best example. His vasana for meat is fulfilled, so he stops it. It's something natural. It can't be forced. It should and would come from within. Same is the case with all the habits. The next question is, would this evolution end? According to me, it ends when we become one with ourself, the soul, because he is the ultimate one can evolve to. That is moksha. The kshaya, decay or end of moha, desire, is moksha. The famous molecular biologist Michael Denton wrote, although the tiniest bacterial cells are incredibly small, weighing less than 10 raised to negative 12 grams, each is in effect a veritable micro-miniaturized factory containing thousands of exquisitely designed pieces of intricate molecular machinery, made up altogether of 100,000 billion atoms, far more complicated than any machinery built by man and absolutely without parallel in the non-living world. The only entity that has the ability to work this complicated machinery according to science is energy. According to spirituality, it is the soul.